Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate with LEXIS and Company. So in this video we're going to discuss maintenance under section 125 of CRPC. So the Apex Court recently in the case of Anju Garg versus Deepak Kumar Garg observed that the husband is required to earn money even by physical labor if he is an able-bodied and could not avoid his obligations except on legally permissible grounds mentioned in the statute. While allowing the appeal, Justice Dinesh Maheshwari and Justice Bela M. Trivedi directed the respondent to pay maintenance amount of Rs 10,000 per month to the appellate wife from the date of filing of maintenance petition before the family court and granted the minor's son a monthly maintenance amount of Rs 6,000. So it was also observed that the section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code was formulated to ameliorate the anguish and financial suffering of a woman who is required to leave her matrimonial home, so that some suitable arrangements could be made to enable her sustain herself and her child as well. So the object of maintenance proceeding is not to punish a person for his past neglect, but to prevent the destitution of deserted wife by providing her food, clothing and shelter by a speedy remedy. Therefore, the Apex Court measured social justice and specifically enacted to protect women and children, and also the constitutional ambit of Article 15(3) fortified by Article 39 of Constitution of India. The court noted that the appellant wife was harassed and subjected to cruelty by the respondent, which had constrained her to leave the matrimonial home along with the children, and the respondent had failed to maintain her and her children while allowing the appeal. So, in the light of the above discussed case laws and reasoning of the Apex Court, clearly protected the interest of thousands of women and children across India. Thank you. See you in next video with some more information.